Should you say during the meeting or while the meeting? What about during 2 hours or for 2 hours? Can you say during I was sleeping? In this chapter, we'll master during, which tells us when something happens inside a time period, right in the middle of events. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've completed before/after relationships. Now we begin a new category, duration and period expressions. Today we'll learn during, which means in the middle of a period or event, when something happens at some point within that time. During means at some point in the middle of a time period or event. Think of it as placing one action inside the time frame of another. You're not saying exactly when, just that it happened somewhere within that period. For example, his phone rang during the movie. This means at some point while the movie was playing. We don't know if it was at the beginning, middle, or end, just that it happened within the movie's time frame. Here's a crucial grammar rule that confuses millions. During is followed by a noun, during the meeting, during summer, while is followed by a clause with a subject and verb, while I was working, while she slept. Never say during I was working. That's grammatically wrong. Another essential difference many learners miss. During answers when during the summer, during the meeting. For answers how long, for 2 hours, for 3 days. Never say during 2 hours, say for 2 hours. During takes events or periods, not lengths of time. We use during constantly with events. She asked questions during the presentation. They served snacks during the break. I met him during the conference. During is perfect for showing when something happened within an event's time frame. During also works with longer time periods. We traveled to Europe during the summer. She worked from home during the pandemic. Many flowers bloom during spring. These show actions happening at some point within these broader periods. 2 very common mistakes to avoid. Never say during 2 hours, say for 2 hours. Never say during I was sleeping, say while I was sleeping, or during my sleep. Remember, during needs a noun, not a length measurement or a full clause. Here's your memory trick for during. Think of a container. An event is the box. During puts another action inside that box. If you're talking about when something happened and can name the event or period it happened in, use during. Now, let's explore during through practical examples. Pay attention to how each sentence places one action or event inside the time frame of another event or period, showing when, not how long. Let's start with a classroom example. Students can ask questions during the lesson. This shows when questions are allowed, at some point within the lesson time frame. The lesson is the container. Asking questions is the action happening inside it. Now, let's look at natural events. It started raining during the night. This means at some point while night was happening. We don't know the exact time. Maybe 11 p.m., maybe 3 a.m., just that it was within the night period. Let's move to business contexts. The restaurant is busiest during lunch hours. This identifies when peak activity happens. Lunch hours is the time period, and being busiest is what happens within that period. Now consider sports events. A player got injured during the match. This tells us when the injury occurred, somewhere within the game's time frame. The match is the event container. The injury is what happened inside it. Let's look at travel situations. They serve meals during the flight. This describes when meal service happens. The flight is the time period, and serving meals occurs at some point within it. Now imagine seasonal activities. Many people travel during the summer. This shows when traveling typically happens. Summer is a 3-month period, and traveling occurs at some points within those months. Let's move to special occasions. Please don't use phones during the ceremony. This sets a rule for when phones should stay away. The ceremony is the event, and the phone restriction applies throughout its duration. Now consider daily routines. I usually sleep well during the night. This describes what happens within the nighttime period. Night is the time frame, and sleeping is the activity that occurs within it. Let's look at entertainment habits. We take a break during the commercials. This shows when the break happens. Commercials create the time window, and taking a break is what happens within that window. Finally, here's a historical reference. Many people worked from home during the pandemic. This describes when a major change happened. The pandemic is the time period, and working from home is what happened within it. Let's recap the essential rules for during. First, during must be followed by a noun, an event or period name, never a clause with subject and verb. Second, during answers when something happened, not how long it lasted. Third, think of it as placing one action inside the time frame of another event. Master these three confusing words together. During the movie, equals when it happened plus uses a noun. While I watched, equals when it happened plus uses a clause with subject and verb. For 2 hours, equals how long it lasted plus uses a time measurement. These three words serve different purposes. Never mix them up. Here are common during patterns to practice. During the meeting, during class, during summer, during my childhood, during the show. Notice they're all nouns, events, periods, or times you can name. Practice creating sentences. What happened during the meeting? I learned English during my childhood. Excellent work. You now understand during. How to show when something happened by placing it inside an event or period. Remember, during takes nouns, answers when, and never describes how long. In the next chapter, we'll learn for, which describes how long something lasts, the perfect partner to during. Keep practicing and continue your English mastery.